Today, I am reviewing the Everlywell Food Sensitivity Comprehensive Test. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The kit arrived quickly and well packaged with clear instructions. Collecting the sample was straightforward. It only required a small finger prick blood sample, which I did first thing in the morning. Everything needed was included, including the prepaid shipping label, so I was able to drop it in the mail the same day without any extra hassle. No doctor appointments or lab visits required, which was a huge plus for my busy schedule. A few days after the lab received my sample, I got a notification that my results were ready. The digital dashboard is easy to navigate and presents the information in a clear, organized way. The test measures IgG antibody reactivity to 204 different foods, which gave me a comprehensive look at how my body responds to everything from common triggers like dairy, gluten, and shellfish to more specific items like certain fruits, vegetables, nuts, and spices. I was surprised by some of the results. Foods I thought were fine showed moderate reactivity, while others I suspected turned out to be low reactivity. This information has been incredibly valuable for creating a personalized elimination diet. Following the results, I started removing some of the higher reactivity foods, and I have already noticed improvements. My bloating has decreased significantly, my energy levels feel more stable throughout the day, and those random headaches have become much less frequent. It is not a miracle cure, but having concrete data has helped me make smarter dietary choices and feel more in control of my symptoms. The results also come with useful explanations and guidance on how to interpret the findings. I was able to share the report with my doctor, who found it helpful as additional information for our discussions. Knowing that the test is analyzed in CLIA-certified labs and reviewed by board-certified physicians gave me confidence in the accuracy and reliability of the results. What I appreciate most about the Everlywell Food Sensitivity Test is how it empowers you to take charge of your health from home. Instead of continuing to wonder why certain meals left me feeling off, I now have actionable insights that I can apply immediately. The process was private, convenient, and delivered meaningful information that supports long-term wellness. If you have been struggling with digestive discomfort, low energy, or other symptoms that might be linked to food sensitivities, I highly recommend giving this comprehensive test a try. It provides a broad look at 204 foods, which is much more extensive than many other options out there. The ease of use combined with fast results and clear reporting makes it accessible for anyone wanting to better understand their body. This test has genuinely helped me refine my diet and improve how I feel on a daily basis. I am glad I took the step to get the data and start making informed changes. It is a worthwhile investment in understanding your personal health better.